Happy Easter! Hey, what are we doing right now?
We're going to the beach to try and find our Easter eggs.
Because the Easter Bunny's been, hasn't he?
Yep, Emma.
And what do we need to do?
We need to find the Easter eggs and then come back and sort them out.
Yay! Let's go! Right boys, how are we going to do this? That Easter Bunny must have been pretty scared of water.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
Oh. Okay, I'm off.
I'll bring the boat in as close as we can get.
Okay.
Here you go.
Right. All aboard! Easter! Okay, let's start picking. Guys, look! I got an Easter bunny! Show us? Can you hold it? What's inside? It's not.
Something to help.
What did you get? And
There's more Easter things over there.
oh, I got a little bunny mystery bag.
What have you found, Mackie?
A yellow one.
Where are they? Are they in our fire pit? Wow! Has Easter Bunny been sneaking around here?
Yeah.
Wow! Look at all those things.
Max! Mackie! Max, come on, there's heaps of eggs. Look at all these.
Wow, these are cool.
Alex! Alex! Look over here.
Whoa, it's a sign.
And it says,
This way. Let's go that way. Oh, hello, Shiloh. Hey, Maggie. Maggie. Oh, Max.
what you got, Alex? What you got?
I got two Buzz Bear chocolates. I'm pretty sure these are the marshmallow ones. So excited.
A carrot! I found a carrot!
I found two Buzz Bars. Today we were trying to get some Easter eggs that Easter Bunny left, but the tide came in and then Dad had to put me on his back to come out here.
And then the tide came in even more and we got stuck. So we're having to do a boat extraction, aren't we?
Yeah.
Easter egg hunt extreme style.
And the egg did fall in the water.
And you nearly fell in the water, didn't you?
Yeah. Yep.
Was that a fun Easter hunt?
Yep.
Mackie, did you have fun hunting Easter eggs that the Easter Bunny left behind? Was the Easter Bunny super clever? It was pretty clever finding us all the way out here on a boat.